Hi, I'm Marco. I'm here to tell you about the smallest booster we have in our Deco catalog for transcritical applications, the ROXSTAcube. It comes in two versions, ROXSTAcube Mini and ROXSTAcube Standard, which goes up to 14 kW in low temperature capacities and 100 kW in medium temperature capacities. The compact construction of the ROXSTAcube and the ROXSTAcube Mini is perfect for supermarkets and convenience stores. The indoor and outdoor installation is also possible thanks to the sound-reducing enclosure that will allow you to install the unit near the supermarket without the necessity of a machinery room and without bothering the neighbors. The ROXSTAcube and the ROXSTAcube Mini feature semi-hermetic reciprocating compressors, heat recovery which can be either installed as standalone or on the unit, frequency converter for the lead compressors, and a flash gas heat exchanger which will increase the safety and efficiency of the booster, especially in the warm seasons when more flash gas is produced. Our control electronics, which is available in many renowned brands, will take care of controlling the whole system, including bypass valves for heat exchangers, medium and high pressure valves, the frequency converters, and all main and optional components. If you're looking for a compact, silent, easy to maintain solution for convenience stores, this is the solution for you.